always find me here when the world thinks that I've disappeared. You know just where to look. You know just where to look.
Father, I just thank you so much for Olivia and just for her life. I just thank you just for the selfless and thoughtful friend that she is. I just pray that as her and Matt enter their marriage, that you would just bless them as they bless other people. Just all the things that they've accomplished apart from one another for the kingdom. I just trust that they're going to be able to do doubly more with one another. We just pray over this day that it would just be filled with joy and with you and just with celebration of them coming together and becoming a family. And we just thank you just for who they are and how they love you and how they love each of us. And we just praise you for this day.
You have a heart of gold, and I look forward to growing old, 'cause I'll be old with you. Oh, I'll be old with you. The moon waits tonight. The sun waits the day. Yeah, and I'll await the time when I'll look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say I do. I do, I do, I do, I do.
It's my pleasure to present to you Mr. and Miss Matt and Olivia Larkins.
And pick you flowers in the rain or shine, just because I can. Just because I can. The moon awaits the night. The sun awaits the day. And I'll await the time when I'll look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say I do, I do, I do, I do. I do, I do, I do. Oh, through the calm and the wind, through thick and through thin,